Here's another Sunday morning question I got asked. How do I add media to projects on my LinkedIn profile, and how can I make sure it's visible? Let me show you how to add media to projects on your LinkedIn profile. But go to my profile. I'm going to scroll down here to projects. Here's projects. Here's a project right here, Greensboro Library. I'm going to hit the pencil to edit projects. And then I'm in the project section, and you can see I have a pencil here for this project, and down below I have a pencil for this project. So I'm going to hit this pencil right here on the top project. Then I'll scroll down and I'll find media. Add media like images, documents, sites, or presentations. I guess it's just website URLs or presentation. So I'm going to hit add media, and I'm going to upload media. I'm going to go get an image. This is just any old image. Let's use this image right here and hit open. Now you want to give it title. By the way, these are often, you want to think of this stuff as keyword rich. So you want to put keywords in here that will resonate with the viewer. So not just image number 63251. No, use words that are important to the viewer related to this image. And this is not mandatory, but again, it could be a great way to put words that resonate. And I'm using filler words, but you want to use words that, resonate with your target audience in the description as well as the title. There's the thumbnail, and I'm going to hit apply. Now, you can see right here it is. Under here, I can add more media if I want to, and I'm going to hit save. Now then, there it is right there. But let me go look at my profile, my project section of my profile from someone else's computer and someone else's LinkedIn profile, whom I have a permission to use. Hang on one second. So here I'm on my friend Reva. I'm going to go to my profile. I'm going to scroll down to projects. There they are. Boom, right there you can see the images right there. Here's the project, Greensboro Library. I can see more and read all about it, including I can click on that media, and there's the media that I added, and there's the keyword-rich title, and there's a description that I should have used more keywords in, and it's totally visible. If you've added media to your project and it is not showing up, I would recommend you try two things. Number one, change up your media. Maybe it's too big. I do know that sometimes you run into a problem where it's too big. Let me go back to my profile and show you what I'm talking about. If I go down here to edit this, and right down here where I can add media, it says media file type supported. Let me read that real quick and see. And you can see these are all the different sizes. Document types I can use. File size must not exceed 100 megabytes. The maximum resolution is 120 pixels. You can only have 1 million words, less than 300 pages. Cannot be uploaded from mobile devices. This may play a role in why it's not working for you. If you are fulfilling these requirements and not violating them, then my next suggestion would be for you to contact LinkedIn support and let them know what you're trying to add to the project section, and it's not uploading. If you're uploading it, and once you've uploaded it and it can't be seen, then again I would recommend you go to LinkedIn support and ask them for help. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn Sales Navigator guy. Hope this is helpful to you.